So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So today we are going to discuss a topic, or just we are going to debate a topic, government job and private job. Okay. So just we already know, means in the market there are many types of jobs, but basically means we focus just like structural sector or unstructured sector, just like organized sector or unorganized sector. So in these, if we talk about government job sector, so government job sector is an organized sector, and if we talk about unorganized sector, just like some private jobs and some local vending jobs, these are all are private jobs. Okay, but actually there are different companies in market, some some IT companies and all, means they are working good, so they are means added in organized sector. Okay, because they have an terms and conditions for the employee and fixed wages and all the things. Okay, so right now we are going to discuss advantage disadvantages of government job. Okay, first actually this is team A. Okay. Government job, they will tell about government job, and they will give their points on government job, and this is team B. So they will tell about the points on private job. Okay, so first I will ask everyone. Okay, team A and team B, each team I will ask. So first team A, so what is government job?
So government job, in that job we are doing work for the government and the society. In that work, including like the work we have is given by the government and handled by the government, and all the things about our salary and all the works is handled by the government.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss about private job.
First of all, again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of you. Let's go through the introduction of a private job. So, private jobs are the jobs which are particular companies in which employees work, and it's mainly based on the hard work. And many promotions are also there, and the product selling and not and other just like the editing, the money prices are set in the private job.
So basically there is an one difference between government job and private job. So means who authority, or means which authority handle this kind of job, means some state government, central governments handle the government job sector, and some private institutions, some private companies, some private shopkeepers, owners, they handle this kind of job. So we call private jobs. Okay, so means both the jobs and pros and cons. So just we will discuss a debate on this topic. So these team A means will favor the government job, and this team B will favor the private job. Okay, so who will initiate in team A?
So, good evening, all of you, and respected sir. I am Mr. Adam, and he is
Harshit Agrawal.
and he
Anvi Shishwat.
and he.
I am Kush.
So we all are here to do a debate. We all are here to do a debate to the topic of government job versus private job. So we are all in the favor of government job. So now we will tell some points about government job. So first tell.
So government job, as I told, government job is that job which are handled by the government, and on that they're including work like the work which is like including IAS officer. And in this work, the work is handled by the person, and the all the work like given by the government, and anything that is included in government.
In my opinion, government job is very secure job, as we get a sufficient salary in this job. And if we talk about in the teachers field, if we want to become a government teacher, so first we have to pass any exam, and we got sufficient salary. And if we got ill, so we get also get salary for our health.
Just you have discussed about the teaching job. Okay, so government job is not only for teaching, means government job means every field, you can see government jobs. Okay, just if we talk about some IS, IPS to lower level, means group A, group B, group C and group D. Mainly government job focuses these four areas: group A, group B, group C and group D. So do you have any idea about group A, group B, group A services, group B services, group C services and group D services? Do you have any idea? No. Okay. So basically I am telling you, group A services are just like an services, just like administrative services, and group B services, some of the workers and some of the persons, means they are work under the administration, and group C also they work under the group A and group B, and group D they all work just like a group D work is not as means an high quality work, means it's a low quality work, but it's an also a government job. Just like if we talk about some house cleaning staffs for the government, some drivers job, means these all are types of jobs for the group D jobs, but actually every job is equal, means we cannot comparison. So means if you have an ability to take a job, so you can take any kind of job. Okay, so basically I have already discussed four kinds of job in the government sector, but in private sector I think there isn't some positions just like junior, seniors and all, but there is no fixed positions, means these positions varied, because means these positions varied company to company and organization to organization, institutions to institutions. So just you have to discuss about private job.
So in the private job, I have also told earlier that there are many big companies in the market, and they are marketing, and the as interviews are taken when we have to do a job in a private company. So we have to give an interview, and as we are passed, so we are as an employee in that company, and promotions are also there in the company when if you get the promotion by completing the targets, so you will grow up by your positions. And thank
I agree with Christy that she said the positions are grown by the promotions in private jobs, and there are very good faculties that are provided in private jobs, and there are so many types of private jobs, like establishing a company is also a type of private job, and like banking, there are so many types of private bank.
So in my opinion, I would like to say that in government job we are not having means in a private job. So in private job there is a not having any pressure of anything. If we want to change the company, so we can change the company free. And in private job we get a high packages also.
I agree with you. Just you already said that, means government jobs means there is no responsibility, you can change any company, but means I will ask that question answer by the team A of government job holders. Okay, yes, what do you think about the Shrey question?
No, he's saying wrong, because in government job also we get more money package than a private job.
Sir, I am disagree to Shrey that he said there is big package, but also but the big tax is also with big package. My brother is also in private job, and he have to pay the tax more than his package.
That is on their level, means there are very big companies, they offered a lot of package. In the sense, means you see about the Google company, he's means a big company as means the Google is very means a high company as to other companies in India, and it provide a lot of packages.
In my opinion, I want to say that I am disagreeing with Ishrai, and he said that there are a lot of money. They don't take a lot of money in private job, but in government job they get a lot of money. and why they give lot of money. They don't do hard work in government job, but in private job they do very hard work, and they have to do work on any type of project. And there are two type of shift in private job. First shift is morning job, and second shift is night job.
So I disagree with you, Yashraj, because as you said that in a government job there is less package than government. In a private job there is less package of money than in a government job. As you know about Google, it is a private company, and the CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. He is the most. He has the means he is the package offer is the most high in India.
And as Kush told about his brother in a private job, so I am also gonna tell one thing, that my mother's friend is also in a government job, and she also tells me that she is a teacher in a government school, and she tells that some teacher only sit in the government school, and they are not that much educated too, and they just sit, and they also scold the students, but they don't teach them properly, and then also they are paid very high amount.
So sometimes I am agree. Okay, just I am agree with some points, but actually my next question is that is government job is more secure or private job is more secure? So just you have to discuss on this. Is government job is more secure or is private job is more secure? Okay, so first we will start from government jobs.
I think the government job is more secure because in government job we got a sufficient salary, and as all students said that there is so many big companies in private field, so there is also so many big companies in government field, and we got a sufficient job by which we can support our family and all, and it is very secure because if a person got retired, so they got also salary, and if they died, so the government also give pension to their family members, so it is more secure in comparison of private.
Yes, I am agree to Harshit Agrawal, and in my opinion, government job is also secured in the field of jobs, because the government has provided many secured facilities to schools, colleges, and etc.
Yes, I am fully agree with to all the boys. They said that the government job provide fully secured fully secured fully secured fully secured jobs, and if we will die, so they will give us pension to our family.
Yes, I am agree with Kush, and in government job and in government schools, colleges and hospitals, like in government schools, the government give free admission to the students, those who are not available and capable to give money higher than their salary or etc. And
Now it's turn to private job.
And I also agree that government job is also secure, but as I also already told about my mother's friend, so she is a government teacher, and she when it was elections, so she had a duty, and where she lives, it was around 40 to 50 kilometers far than the place she lives, and she when she goes to that place for having the voting, the people come there and give votes, so she has to leave from there at about 2 o'clock at night, so I think that it's not that much secure than the private jobs.
So I think private jobs are more secured, as you said that government jobs are more secured. Government jobs are also secured. I agree with you, but private jobs are also secured. secured, like in a private school or in a private hospital you can find the doctors at time, like if their timing is 1 o'clock, so you will find the doctor at 1 o'clock. But I have seen in so many government hospitals.
We are discussing about job security, not just a topic. You are dismissing with the topic. Okay, Srey.
So as Christy told that the security of the government officers are not well, means in the case of elections, the government officer have to go very far. That means the places they live and the election position means the election places, and it is risky also for them. And as you know that the private jobs get the more packages as compared to government job, because the most of the companies provided the better packages, and they also send the foreign also.
So I am disagree with team A, and in my opinion, I am agree fully. I am in the favor of private security, because there are so many facility in private security and in private job, and in lunch time we have to go to canteen and we can eat anything, and in time to time we have meet tea to take, and we have meet our packages, and the boss of the private job.
Basically, I am asking about the job security in terms of some health facility, pensions, means any other extra facility provided by the company. You are dismissing the topic. Okay, I am just asking about the job security. Job security is not means just like they provide a soldier or they provide some extra persons to secure your means personal identity and all. Just I am talking about means their wages, their fixed time working hours. Means I am talking about these. Okay.
First, I have question to her that by which point you are disagree.
I don't know, and I want to ask a question to you. Sir, no, sir, I don't know.
Because you have all because you have told that you are disagree with us. So please tell me by which point you are disagree.
Because shared in many field, government job is very secure. So please give me example of in which field government job is secure.
Just like in government hospitals, the machines are very high technology, which the Prime Minister of our country India has provided.
But I seen in my near.
You are dismissing the topic. Actually, I am asking. Means he is asking about the job security of government job holders. Just like if you are a government doctor, so what job security do you have? Just like you have fixed working hour, fixed wages, fixed time for the checkup and all, fixed OPD timing, these all the things. But in private sectors, sometimes we can say that there is no fixed time. Sometimes companies means called their doctors on extra time, and some if you are working, actually there isn't some means I am also disagree with government job security. Just like if you are working some extra hours, so means government job organizations, they don't provide anything. But if you are working in a private sector, or just like in any established company like Google, Facebook and all, if we talk about any other company, so they provide if you are working in a extra working hour. Okay, is there any facility in government job? Just let me know.
There are many facilities in the government job, like if we talk in the hospitals field. So in the hospitals, our government is continuously provided high tech machines, and they are building a lot of hospitals, so, and with the high technology. So we can't say that that there is no fixed wage of the doctors in the government hospitals. And as we know that nowadays in government hospitals every type of doctor is present, and in private hospitals, like if a person have a danger disease, like some disease that their treatment, the doctor had not their treatment, so they have to call other doctors. This take a lot of time.
In so many cases I have seen, like if a person is if a person is is suffering from a very dangerous disease, so the doctors in a government hospital say that you should go in another city, so you can take the checkup there.
And and in some movies you can also see, just like in the government hospitals, as he told, that there are many facilities, and in any they can get doctors. So yeah, they can get doctors in about 10, 15, 20 minutes as they take. But sometimes I have seen that a disease spread in a city, so the people which were not having enough money, so they were coming to the government hospitals, and where they were checking out that there are no oxygen cylinders. So the doctors say that you have to go to the cities immediately. So how they are able to arrange to go to cities immediately?
We are not talking about the movies. This is real life. Movie shows the bomb blast. So, in real life, bomb blast happens. It's real life.
So if you are saying bomb blasts happen in real life, so yes, it many times happen, and it also takes the life of many people. And if you are saying in real life there is no happening like this, so it is happening in many government hospitals. There are no provided by the good doctors. They are just saying just you go from here and go to somewhere else, go to another hospital. This is a just local hospital. You will be not admitted here.
Just like you said that we are wrong, but I have seen in my grandfather's case, just we take him to the hospital of Bhitarwar, and he just said that you should go to the hospital of Gwalior, and he said that you should go in a private hospital.
Ishika.
Yes, I am disagree with team A, because they said that there is no facility in hospital.
And I have also seen in one case, I don't remember the name, but I have seen there was no oxygen cylinder, and the man was suffering from a very deep disease, and it may take his life. So it was not correct, because they should provide them by oxygen cylinders.
And as he is telling about real life, so it was a real story.
So team B are saying that that in the government hospital there is no oxygen cylinder. So our topic is not just that. Our topic is another. Please don't go outside.
Okay. Just we will discuss. Continue. Okay, I will ask. Means I will invite next other persons. Okay, just you have to left. Means you are already completed. Okay, Christy, Paridhi, and Harshit. Next persons, please come. Yes, government job and private job. Yeah, please come. Garv. Yes. Arnab, Siddharth. Okay. Now we will continue. Okay, you have listened what they discussed. Okay, so now you have to continue. Samyak.
Yes, you are saying that in government hospitals there are no facilities that government give us. So yet it is right that I am agree.
So as first round Sile said that if private people want to leave their work, so they leave their work and find the new office. So it is not easy to find. So it is not easy to find that you get new job easily, because in the private job the position are fixed and the position are not available at that time. So how can they find?
Can you give some example in which way they are fixed? Because I think that the promotions are also happening. They're every year finding for a new employee in their office. So can you give me some examples?
So, but you can change your position in year wise, not daily life.
I asked about some examples in which which people do not get the private job easily. Are they provided with the government job easily when they want to change? Just answer my question.
So I am agree because government job is not we get easily, but in private job seats position are also fixed. So how can you get easily? Tell.
Do you agree?
Yes, I am agree with that. They said that you can change our position. I am disagree with you because we don't change our position daily.
And if you are saying how can they how can be they entered in a new company, so first they have to be a regular employee. After seeing their work in a company, they would be promoted. So in this way they cannot be promoted directly to an means and the biggest post.
I have asked the question. You said you are favor of government job. To please tell the top opportunity of government job.
There are so many opportunities of government job, just like if we have passed the exam UPSC, so in our area or society we are having some good changes, and we will rule the whole district, and we can change and we can stop the crime also.
What's your point of, what's your opinion on this? Means is there any kind of means facility, or is there any kind of options available in private jobs? Just what Harshit said.
He said right, but I am asked the top 5 opportunity of government job.
Top five. You have to tell the top 5 positions of government job.
Okay, sir. Yes, there are so many position, just like the president, IS, IPS, and collector, and uh, and DSP, SP, and SDM.
These all are the part of the IPS. Okay, TSP, SP. Just you have discussed IS, IPS, IFS, IRS, and IES. Okay, so these are the top positions of the government job. But actually, these are means there is no top positions in private job like that. Actually, means in government job holder means they can rule the society, but in private job you can not rule the society. Just like you cannot change any kind of policy. Just you can suggest only.
So as you said, if we become a IS officer, so our personality will be improved in the public. But I asked, if a person joined a Google company, so his or her personality will also be improved in public. So how can you say in government job only we get improvement in our personality?
It's not the matter of personality, it is the matter of our society, that the Google CEO do changes in their society.
Okay, not a one. You have to.
Please repeat the question.
I'm telling that it is not the matter of personality, it is the matter of society development. If we are IS or IPS, so we change some we change some rules and regulations of the society. If any CEO of Google and any other company will change the rules of the district.
I agree that if DSP change the rule, it is not good because the society's person have been.
Yes, they do, because they have created an app or a link Google which help us to be informed about something. When we are at our home, we can get to easily know about something by using the app Google. So aren't they changing the society? And if we talk about the Facebook, we are getting the news or the information about the world from our phone only, right? While we are at home only. So aren't they changing the society?
There are also many disadvantages of this app. So can you prove that there are?
Yes. Okay.
Private jobs person get extra money.
So I am a tell my opinion that private employees. My opinion of private employees are is a recognized for their hard work that like to employees at work show that work are best, so promotion and promotion is promotion for re, requirement receive.
So in if you crack the UPSC exam, so and you become if you become a civil officer, so government provides us so many facility, like government gives you high security and gives a big house and gives security for you and your family.
And I see a government job in teachers field, teaching field. My grandfather is my grandfather is also teacher. He retired, but government give her half pension.
Your grandfather has retired by the job, but actually government provide him to a half pension. Okay, so it means you are saying that means this is the extra advantages of the government job. Okay, so just we are going to discuss this topic, and now we are completing or concluding this topic. So you have to put an valid point for conclusion. Okay, Samyak.
Yes, if we talk about in teachers field, so teachers teach us under the government in schools, and if they want to teach us, so they can. If we want to go to their, if we want to go somewhere, so they can. And government job are also more secure, because in government job we have to do work under the government, and government give us more security than private job, and government give us a salary on time, and by the end of money we can use them for our family. And nowadays we see that every person need money.
Yes, I agree with Samek, and I want to say that most of the people want to have government job than the private job. As we can see in the NEET PG exam, all the students want the government college, not the private college.
Please conclude.
So there are two type of job you can do, government and private, in a night and in a day.
So doesn't matter which job you are doing, both are important and both are playing an important role in our life. If we have a government job, that's good. If we do not have any kind of government job, we have a private job, that's also good. They both are very important because as we can see in government we are having the IAS, IPS, and in private we are having the Google Office and many more. So they both are important, and if you like our video, so please do like, share, subscribe, and please do share our channel and comment your opinion.
Bye, and I have completed this video here.